Are you ready to take your digital product business to the next level? What if I told you there's a way to keep more of your profits, stand out from the competition, and build a brand that's truly yours? Today, I'll show you how to create your very own website to sell your digital planners and stickers, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Stay with me because I'm also sharing an exclusive discount coupon that will save you big, but it's only available for a limited time. If you're selling on Etsy, you already know the challenges, high fees, intense competition, and limited control over your branding. But imagine this, a sleek, professional website that showcases your digital planners and stickers. No middleman, no extra fees. Sounds amazing, right? Let me introduce you to Monster Templates, your one-stop solution for stunning website templates designed specifically for creators like you. Monsterone is a subscription service that provides unlimited access to thousands of elements for building websites. Emphasize the subscription idea where the user pays once and then downloads a large number of templates. Now let me tell you why Monsterone is so powerful. First, the numbers speak for themselves. You get access to over 460,000 digital products. That's templates, graphics, plugins, themes, you name it. Second, unlimited downloads. Whether it's one product or hundreds, your subscription allows you to grab as much as you need. There's no limit. Third, they're always growing. New products are added weekly. That means fresh templates, modern designs, and the latest trends in web development and graphics. And finally, a simple lifetime license. Let's say you use a product from Monsterone for a client's website. Even if your subscription expires, the license for that product doesn't. It's yours to keep for that project. How great is that? It's an amazing platform for building websites and accessing other essential elements for your business. Now, let me break down the Monsterone subscription plans for you so you can decide which one works best. First up, if you want to go for a monthly plan, it starts at just $39 per month, which is great if you're looking for short-term access to their templates and themes. But here's the smart option. If you go with the annual plan, the cost drops significantly to just $12.40 per month, saving you a ton of money over the year. Now, if you're like me and love lifetime access with no recurring charges, the one-time payment plan is hands down the best choice. It's a one-time fee of $449, and you'll get unlimited lifetime access to their entire collection of themes, templates, and design assets. Plus, they update their library every single week, so you'll always have fresh designs to choose from. Honestly, this plan is the best value because you pay once, and that's it, no monthly or yearly renewals. And just imagine thousands of templates and themes at your fingertips for life. And here's a little bonus. I've got a special discount coupon just for you. I'll share the code later in this video, so stick around. Now, let me show you how you can use this platform to create your own professional website like a pro. Let's get started. After purchasing a Monsterone subscription plan, go to the Monsterone website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Monsterone provides a wide variety of themes and templates for different platforms such as WooCommerce, WordPress, Shopify, OpenCart, and Magento. For this tutorial, we'll focus on using a WooCommerce theme. As you can see, Monsterone provides various WooCommerce themes tailored to different niches such as fashion, furniture, pets, kids, and more. For this demonstration, I'll select Good theme, which is ideal for building a professional and stylish online store. In the search bar, type the name of the theme you want to use. In this case, Good theme, and press Enter. Click on the theme from the search results to open its details page. Review the features and design preview to ensure it fits your requirements. Once confirmed, click the download button. The theme will be downloaded to your computer as a zip file. To create a website, the first step is to have good hosting and a domain name. Hosting is where your website's files are stored, and the domain name is your website's address. For example, www.uwebsite.com that users type in to access your site. Both are essential for launching a successful website. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Hostinger provides various hosting plans to choose from, including shared hosting, VPS, and cloud hosting. I recommend the business plan because it's great for beginners and comes with one free domain for 1 year when you buy a 12-month plan. 2 months of free hosting with the 48-month plan. My suggestion is to choose the 48-month plan if you are committed to running your business long-term. Otherwise, the 12-month plan is a good start. Here is a good news. If you purchase using my affiliate link in the description, you'll receive an additional 20% discount. Now, click Choose Plan, and you'll be taken to the payment page. Fill in your billing address details and click Continue. Add your payment details and click Submit Payment. After completing your purchase, log into your Hostinger account. On the dashboard, click on Website in the left-hand menu. Click Add Website and select WordPress as your website builder. Enter your WordPress admin email and set a strong password. Click Next. Click Next. On the next screen, select your domain name or claim your free domain. For this tutorial, I'll use a free temporary domain. Click Install and wait a few minutes for WordPress to set up. Once WordPress is successfully installed, you will be redirected to the WordPress dashboard. To access your website, hover your cursor over the domain name in the top left corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, click on Visit Website. This will open your newly created website in a new tab. It will look like a simple, blank website. To create a digital download store, we'll install a theme. Start by going to Plugins, Add Plugin. Search for WP Migration, install the first plugin, and activate it. From the left menu, go to All-in-One WP Migration and click Import. Drag and drop your theme file into the upload area and click Proceed. Once done, update the WordPress database and click Continue. Log back into your dashboard with the demo username and password. Now that the theme is installed, it's time to make it your own. First, create a new user account and delete the demo user for security. Adjust the basic website settings like site title, tagline, and permalinks. Edit the header to make it your own. Upload your business logo. Go to Menus, delete unnecessary pages, and organize the menu to match your website's structure. Navigate to the theme settings and find the slider section. Replace the demo images with your own by uploading them to the media library. Update the slider text by copying it from your Word file and pasting it here. Now, let's move on to editing the footer. Start by replacing the existing text with your own. Next, update the footer menu to include the necessary links for your website. I've also removed any unnecessary sections to keep the design clean and professional, and added a countdown timer for promotions, as you can see. For now, I've left the product carousel unchanged, as I plan to update it later after uploading the products. Now, let's edit the contact page. First, update the map location to reflect your office address. Next, modify the contact form subheading to match your website's tone and purpose. Replace the contact number and email address with your actual business details. And that's it. The contact page is now fully updated and ready to go. Now, let's edit the About Us page. I'll make similar updates here by replacing the placeholder text with your business details and uploading relevant images to personalize the page. Let me quickly demonstrate the process. Additionally, I'll remove any unnecessary sections to keep the page clean and focused on your story. And that's it. Your About Us page is now complete and ready to showcase your brand. Now, let me show you how to upload products to your WooCommerce store. To upload products to your website, the first step is to create categories. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Products and click on Categories. In the input box, type the name of the category you want to create. Upload a category thumbnail to visually represent the category. Click Add New Category to save it. Add additional categories in the same way for all the product groups you plan to offer. Now, let's upload the products. To upload a product to your store, in your WordPress dashboard, go to Products and click on Add New. Type the name of your product in the title input box. Add a high-quality featured image to represent the product. As this is a digital product, check the virtual and downloadable options under the product data section. Enter the price of the product in the regular price field. Upload the product file to your store. Click on the Add File button. Either browse your computer to locate the product file, or drag and drop the file directly into the upload area. Write the detailed product information in the product description section. Add a concise summary in the product short description section. Scroll down to the product gallery section and upload additional images for the product. Select Product Category from the Product Categories section. Once all the details are filled in, click Publish to make the product live. Repeat this process to add more products to your store. Now, let's design our homepage Product Carousel section. Locate the Product Carousel section in your homepage editor. Duplicate this section. Rename the section to Digital Stickers and move it below the Digital Stickers section. Duplicate the same section again. Update the text in the New Arrival section to reflect the desired content. Remove the existing Product Carousel widget. Insert the Woo Products widget in its place. In the widget settings, change the number of rows to 2 to display more products. In the duplicated section, change the heading to Bestseller Products. Set the content alignment to horizontal in the carousel settings. Apply styling changes to match the overall theme and design of your website. Move to the Digital Stickers section. Change the heading to Digital Stickers. Select the product carousel in this section. Go to Settings and filter the category to display digital stickers only. Your website's homepage is now fully designed and organized. Review each section to ensure the layout and content align with your theme and your website is ready for visitors. Now, here's the best part, the discount code. Use this code at checkout to get an additional 10% off on all plans and gain access to the entire library of products on the monsterone website. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you'd like a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to create your own digital store, let me know in the comments as well.